Namaste and welcome to our channel. My name is Shaini Narang and I'm your yoga guide. Today's video is about shoulder pain. We'll be doing some simple movements, stretches that will help you release that shoulder pain, the tightness, the stiffness that we experience. बहुत सारे लोगों का कंसर्न होता है कि उनका शोल्डर इतना मूव नहीं करता. Even raising the arm till here gives them lot of discomfort. So in order to overcome that, we will be practicing some simple stretches, some sukshma vyayam, gentle rotations, so that your shoulder can relax. So now let's begin the session. We'll first do centering. So place your right hand on the chest, left hand on the belly, and gently close your eyes. Start by taking few deep breaths. To align your body, your mind, your breath. Gently bring the hands down. धीरे से हाथों को नीचे ले आएंगे. And open the eyes. So that was just to align and bring your attention to this moment. Now let's start working with the simple movements for the shoulders. The first one is basically elbow rotations. To do this, place your fingertips on the shoulders and join your elbows in the front, lift them up, push them back, and then push them down. Okay, so we're trying to make a big circle with the elbows. Do it with me now. मेरे साथ कीजिए. Bring the elbows together, join them in the front, lift them up, push them back, and push them down. 1, inhale up, exhale down. 2, breathe in, breathe out. 3, beautiful, very nice. धीरे से आराम से करेंगे. 4, push down. 5. Now reverse the direction. Take the elbows back, lift them up from the sides, join them in the front and push them down. Nice. 1, 2, lift the elbows, join. 3, 4, very nice. And one more time. And 5. Release the hands, place the hands back on the knees. Now we will open the arms at this 90 degree, like this, palms facing forward. Now we will join the elbows and push the spine back, dropping the head down. And then we'll open the arms, lift the chest up, squeeze your shoulder blades and take the elbows back, opening the chest. So we'll do this few times. This is also to open the shoulder blades and to open the pectoral muscles, the muscles in the front that is causing you the tightness. So we'll open and close. Try to join your whole forearm, your palms, your elbows together. Okay, I'll demonstrate it from this side also, so you get a better idea. We'll do this 5 times, 10 times actually. Let's do this 10 times. Open the arms to this side, 90 degree. Exhale, join the palms and elbows, spine going back. Inhale, open the chest, push the arms back. 1. Exhale, head down. Inhale, chest up. 2. Exhale, head down. Inhale, open. 3. Exhale, join the palms and elbows. Open it. Push your arms back. 4. Last one. Exhale, head down. Inhale, arch your back, lift up the chest. 5. And release. Beautiful. You see there's some opening in the frontal area, some opening of the shoulders. And now we will do some simple movements which are not yogic movements but some exercises, some drills that will really help you with the shoulder. The reason why we face shoulder tightness is because we are not moving this enough. Our shoulder has a capacity to go 360 degree, which means it's really can go in all direction, but we are hardly using this mobility. We're not even moving this enough. So it starts to hurt, and because the muscles get tight, the joints get tight, you feel the pain. To open this up, we will do some rotations with the help of a strap. Like I'm using this strap here, you can use a yoga belt, scarf, dupatta, any other waist belt, anything that you have. आप कुछ भी इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं. आपके घर में जो भी लंबा ऐसा कुछ भी स्ट्रैप जैसा हो उसका यूज कीजिए. Now what we'll do is we'll stretch the strap, keeping the hands wide enough. Like you can see, it's quite wide. Now, keeping the elbows straight, we will take the hands over the head and take it back. पीछे की ओर लेके जाना है हाथों को. You will feel a lot of stretch in the shoulders, and exhale, we bring it forward. If this is very difficult for you, you can open the strap further. मतलब आप इसको थोड़ा और दूर पकड़िए. For me this length is fine, so I'm using this. But if this is very challenging, increase the gap between the hands. हाथों को एक दूसरे से दूर रखते हुए. Let's do it 5 times with a smile. Inhale, raise the arms over your head. Take the step, strap back over your head. Feel the opening in the shoulders. Exhale, stretch your arms, bring the strap down. Again, inhale, elbows को straight रखना है. Push it back. I'll demonstrate it from the side also. Exhale, bring it down. Inhale, back. Stretch. Exhale, forward and down. Again, breathe in. Keep the elbows straight. You're not bending the elbows. Exhale, down. जितना पीछे हो सकता है उसको लेके जाएंगे. Last time, breathe in. Even if you're here, that's fine. Try to push it back. Elbows are straight. Stretch your arms. Exhale, fold forward, bring forward, release. So this was for the opening of the shoulders. Now we will try to do a full circle, which means हम पूरा हाथों को पीछे लेके जाएंगे और आगे लेके आएंगे without bending elbows. Elbows कोहनियाँ नहीं मुड़ेंगी. Okay? For some of you this might not be possible. It's okay. जितना हो सकता है उतना लेके जाएंगे. हो सकता है कुछ लोगों के लिए इतनी रेंज नहीं होगी. फ्रोजन शोल्डर जिनका है उनको तो बिल्कुल नहीं होगी. तो अगर आपका हाथ यहाँ तक पहुँच रहा है तो भी ठीक है. बट कोशिश करेंगे कितना पीछे ले जा सकते हैं. धीरे 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 we will bring it down. Okay? So let's do it 5 times. And we'll try to keep the elbows straight. Sit in any comfortable position. And let's begin. Inhale up. Exhale, take the hands down all the way without bending the elbows. You can see my elbows are straight. Both the elbows are straight. I am taking this strap, this belt as one piece. Taking it back and bringing it forward. Lovely. Inhale up and back. And lift it up. Inhale up. Exhale down. Let's do a few more. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Breathe in. Breathe out. Inhale. Exhale. एक बार और करते हैं. Last time. Keeping elbows straight. Inhale. Exhale. Breathe in. And breathe out. Release the belt. This was your shoulder rotations. थोड़ा stretch कर लेते हैं. So take your left hand forward, take it to the right side and use your right arm to pull your left hand in closer to your chest. You will feel a nice stretch in the upper arm and shoulder area. With a smile, keeping the smile on the face, just stretch it out. Inhale. Exhale. Release. Now take your right hand forward and take it to the left side. Use your left arm from under. नीचे से left arm को लेके आएंगे. Right arm को अपनी ओर push लेके आएंगे. Push करेंगे ताकि आपको right में stretch feel हो. Just breathe in and breathe out. Inhale. Exhale. And release. So this was nice stretch for the shoulders. We'll do one more thing for the opening of the back of the shoulders. A lot of us have this kind of a rounded shoulders. This will help us correct that. Again, we will be using this tab. This is the last thing we'll be practicing. You can do this while sitting as well, sitting on a chair or a heighted platform or on the ground, whatever is convenient. So in this case, we will hold the strap in the right hand, take it over the head at the back. एक बार देख लीजिए, this is a demo, watch once. You will hold the strap in the right hand over your head, take it back. Now take the left hand out, point the left thumb down and bend the left elbow, grab your strap from the bottom. So right hand ऊपर है, left hand नीचे. Now what we'll do is we'll stretch and raise the right arm up towards the sky, stretching the right elbow. And then we push the left hand down, stretching the left elbow, bending the right. This is called shoulder flossing. तो एक बार right arm ऊपर जाएगा और एक बार left hand नीचे जाएगा. So once right arm goes up, left elbow bends and vice versa. So let's do this. Hold your strap in the right hand, bend the right elbow, hold the base of the strap or belt with the left hand. You remember we did this, pointing the thumb down, bending the left elbow, hold it down. Now let's go 1, raise the right arm up, stretch the right arm, the left elbow will bend. And bend the right arm, straighten the left arm. Right elbow is bending, left arm is straight. Again, inhale, take the right arm up, stretch. and exhale. Take the left hand down, stretch. One more time, inhale, right arm up. Exhale, left arm down. Feel the stretch in the right. And release. Same thing on the other side. ये चीज़ हम left से करेंगे. So hold your belt or your strap on the left hand, in the left hand. Take it over, ऊपर लेके जाएंगे. And bend it. This time the left elbow is pointing to the sky. And now you take the right hand to the side, point the right thumb down, bend the right elbow and hold the strap from the bottom. नीचे से पकड़ेंगे strap को और नीचे की ओर push करेंगे. So again we will do this flossing. First inhale, raise the left arm up. Your right elbow will bend. Exhale, push the right hand down. Left elbow will bend. Again, inhale up. Stretch. Exhale down. Right hand down. Inhale, raise the left arm up. Stretch your left arm completely. Inhale, take the right hand down. Stretch your right arm completely. You can do it one more time if you feel. At least 3 बार ज़रूर कीजिए. हो सकता है ज़्यादा कर सकते हैं तो ज़्यादा कीजिए. And down. And slowly release. Let go of your strap, your belt. So this was for the shoulders. You must be feeling very open and relaxed. And you can just swing your arms like this. Right up, left up alternatively to relax the shoulders. Breathing in, breathe out. See how relaxed, open they feel now. And slowly come to center. There are many more shoulder opening movements, exercises, but in this video I have shared with you the essential ones, the important ones that you should be practicing regularly. आप इसको हफ्ते में 3 से 4 बार ज़रूर करें. Every alternative day you can practice these movements. Very easy to do, safe to do. आप घर पे इसे खुद भी कर सकते हैं. And also if you know somebody who has tight, stiff shoulders, like your parents, या दादा दादी, नाना नानी, किसी के भी हो, तो उनको भी ये वीडियो ज़रूर भेजिए. उन्हें भी बताइए ये सारी सिंपल एक्सरसाइजेज वो भी कर सकते हैं. So I hope you found this video useful. With this, we have come to the end of this video. I will see you in the next one. Till then, keep practicing yoga and namaste.